Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to recover TonKeeper forgotten password. So let's start this video. Open TonKeeper application. So currently there is no option available which says forgotten password, then we receive 6-digit verification code. Currently it is not available in TonKeeper. So what we have to do is follow me. Go into your settings on the top right corner. Scroll down, then click on contact us. So you have to contact them. In subject you have to write help me recover my forgotten password. Then in this section you have to write down the detail about how you forgot your password. Then after that they will contact you and ask you about your details and information. You have to give that and you can successfully recover your TonKeeper forgotten password. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.